everyone, this is Gina Thorne, and I'm here today with Lisa Hinson from Calvary Addiction Recovery Center out of Phoenix, Arizona, and welcome to the Lakeview podcast series. Lisa, it's nice to have you here in Jacksonville.
Thank you.
And you're here visiting with us to learn more about our program, but we're also interested in learning more about Calvary. Calvary's been around since 1964, and I know that you've been treating a lot of families and individuals in the Phoenix area. Can you tell us a little bit about your program?
Yes, actually we originally started as a facility down in South Phoenix that was for men only, and it was mostly the homeless alcoholic men. And about 10 years ago we moved to Central Phoenix and became an inpatient facility, which really is a transition from residential to inpatient, meaning that now we have an addictionologist, we have full-time RNs 24/7, and we have licensed therapists and behavioral health technicians. So we function much more like a hospital type of setting. And actually that changed with the needs of the community too. We added 18 detox beds, and it's a separate detox unit, and found that that was really necessary due to the heroin epidemic, and people used to be in the milieu with people from detox and from residential, and what we discovered is that it really triggered people, and it was difficult for people who were in residential. So having a separate unit has made a big difference. And there really was a need in the community to have that detox unit, so it's helped tremendously.
Good. And you all have a faith-based program with a chaplain full-time. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, we do have a traditional 12-step track, and then we have a faith-based 12-step track. Everyone does do the traditional 12 steps of Alcoholics Anonymous, but then we have our Christian track, which includes morning devotionals, includes a daily Bible study. We have a pastor who people can sign up to meet with. And they usually will do steps 1 through 3 with the pastor. They can do them with the therapist, but either way, whichever they prefer. It is voluntary, so people can choose. Some people choose to go to morning devotions, but then do the big book study versus the Bible study. And then we have the pastor comes in twice a week and meets with the whole community and answers people's question and answer more than anything, and just really works to help people find a higher power. And we've received great feedback from that. We do a chapel service also on Sundays. So our clinical director, he developed the 12 steps associated with the Life Recovery Bible. And it's a wonderful 12 steps that people work, and we give everyone a Life Recovery Bible when they're able to research that way. We do have Celebrate Recovery, who comes in and does that on our campus. And then we do have our traditional AA, NA, CA, HA, who all come to our facility too. So
it's nice because Lakeview also has a Christian component as well, and what we've learned is that you have people who come in that may not self-identify as Christian, but once they come into the program, they see peers that are engaged with it. So I'm sure you're seeing some of the same thing, where they may not come in thinking that they're looking for a spiritual journey in their recovery, but it sort of evolves through the course of their recovery process.
Absolutely. That is what we discover. And a lot of times people, so they sign in choosing which program they want to do, and often we'll see that they change, they switch to the Christian track like halfway through. So it really does happen that way for us too.
It's great, and it sounds like you've got a great balance, and that's wonderful. Well, if individuals are interested in learning more about Calvary, how could they get in touch with you?
So it would be www.calvarycenter.com or the 866-76-SOBER.
Great. Well, it was really nice having you here in Jacksonville. Thank you so much.
For having me too.
And for those of you that are interested in learning more about Lakeview Health, or you're looking for treatment right away for a family friend or someone that you know, we invite you to visit us at lakeviewhealth.com, or you can reach us at 866-887-0142. Thank you.
Thank you.